Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another episode of 30 Bags in 30 Days. So today is day number 6 and today's challenge is to tackle one bedroom's closet or their dresser. So we're working in Jackson's bedroom today and we're going to be working in his dresser, and I'm going to include his closet because he just has a few clothing things hanging. Now his dresser is inside of the closet. That way he has more floor space to just kind of jump around and be a boy. And it was working out just fine. I actually got his dresser from the Goodwill for like $35 or something like this. A very good quality, because the one he had before was not the best quality. So we're going to be working in his dresser and his closet. And what I'm going to do is pare down all of the clothes that are no longer his size. Anything that's 8s or 10s really will go out, because we're looking into the 12s and 14s now. And anything that is long sleeves that won't make it to the next season, we're going to go ahead and pull those things out so that we can donate. But today we're tackling bedroom closet that's not the master. Come along with us. So today's challenge, or the 30 Bags in 30 Days, is being sponsored by Sophia over at My Great Challenge. And if you've been following us for the last couple of episodes, you know that I love Sophia. She is awesome. She was one of the first kind of YouTubers that did cleaning videos when I first started to really kind of get into YouTube. And I just started watching her clean her house, and I absolutely just fell in love with her, with the content that she offers. She's one of my favorite YouTubers when it comes to that particular cleaning, motivational cleaning. I really do just love her quite a bit. But she's putting on this challenge. So if you're interested in starting the challenge, if you'll head over to her blog where she lists the calendar, and I'll link that in the description box below. There's also a lot of YouTubers that are joined in on this collaboration. My Everyday Wife Life is doing the collab. Melody from Transforming Melody is in there. Those are two that I kind of follow. There's a couple more. There will be a playlist linked in the description box below as well. Click on the playlist, just kind of get you some motivation. But again, we're going to tackle Jackson's dresser. We're going to do this really, really quickly. So I'm going to kind of speed through this, and we're going to do his dresser, his closet, and then he has a little storage ottoman because someone just passed us down a few clothes. So those are the areas we're going to tackle in this bedroom today. Okay, so this is Jackson's closet, and I don't know if you can see this, but he has a kind of a shoe rack on the back of his door. So one of one of the days when you don't have a specific area that Sophia has in her room, you can tackle toys, and this is about as much toys as Jackson has. So I'm going to purpose to go through a lot of this Nerf stuff. He's got Nerf Nation going on in his closet, and it tends to bother my spirit, but him and his sister and his brothers, I mean, they all play with this stuff. So I'm just going to pare it down, organize it a little bit better. But today we're going to be working on his dresser. So he has his 4 drawers, and then just these few little hanging clothes. So I'm not going to talk a lot through this video. I will at the end to show you what it is that we have gotten rid of. But we're just going to pare down some stuff in this closet, and Jackson's going to do a quick tidy as well while we're working in the closet. Okay, everybody, so we are done. That really didn't take us long, probably about 20 minutes. So here we have his geese that he uses. They're called Dobok, right, Jackson?
Yes, ma'am.
So he has 3 of them. An old one from when he was just before he got to black belt. He has his black belt, and then he has his special teams or travel team uniform. So those stay there. We have short sleeve shirts, a few long sleeves, and then a couple of jackets. We've cleaned off the dresser top. He had a couple of Tinker crates that we actually put up in the very top of the closet, and a pair of dress shoes for dress shoes' sake. Then in the drawers, this one drawer we have undies and pajamas. In this drawer, we just put all of his short sleeve shirts, which he has 12 zillion. And in this drawer right here, we have a few pairs of shorts and then more short sleeve shirts. And then down here in the bottom, we have jeans and long sleeve shirts that are in his size. So that takes care of his dresser specific. Now, in this bag, which we were able to fill up, a trash bag, are old t-shirts and things that are just old and ratty, or have holes. They're just ratty. We've had them for a long time. It's just time to go, and he'll get some new ones as we need. He usually just sleeps in those t-shirts, but he has a whole drawer full of t-shirts. And then in another bag, in this bag, we had a couple of things that we can donate to a family that we know. So a couple of nice dress shirts, a pair of swimming trunks, and a pair of pants. 2 pairs of pants. So these are still in good condition, and we're going to find a home for these. And then the last thing that we have are, these are his taekwondo shoes that he got for Christmas. I can't remember.
For last Christmas.
2 Christmases ago. Perfect condition almost. His feet are just too big. So that is problem number 1, is that his feet are too big. So we're going to try and sell these on eBay. We think we can still get pretty good price for at least get something out of them. We may put them on eBay and Facebook Marketplace, but we think we can try to get something out of these. So I'm going to take these into where I have my eBay stuff, and we're going to try to sell those. So there it is, everybody. Day number 6 is in the bag. We did Jackson's dresser and some of his closet clothes. Pretty much I was pleased with what we did in here. He is not the best housekeeper in his area, so Mom does need to come in and try to help him from time to time. But, everything looks really good. We did get a bag of things we can toss, and then a few pieces that we can donate. So anyway, that is it. Day number 6 of the 30 bags in 30 days. If you have not joined the challenge, think about joining. Head over to Sophia's blog, and it tells you every day what we're going to be working on. But if you're doing 30 bags in 30 days with me, let me know in the comments below. So anyway, thank you so much for stopping by our channel. If you like this video, be sure and give it a thumbs up. If you're new to our channel, we'd love for you to hit that subscribe button. That way you become a part of our YouTube community. Also hit the little bell. That way you never miss an upload from us. Thank you so much for stopping by our channel. And until day number 7, bye now.